Welcome back, and yeah, the question. So, what happened to the L322, or specifically my L322? I'm sure a lot of you have been wanting to ask the question. So here it is. Here's your answers. Did I sell it? So, as you all know, I've always wanted to drive a Range Rover. I had three other Range Rovers prior to that, and I've had many other different cars. And to me, it was like the iconic car to have. Could do everything in one box. And for a long time, I still believed that. And it still is true today. It's a fantastic car. It's luxury. Obviously, that does come at a cost. So it is one of those vehicles that definitely makes a statement, especially when you're driving it on the road, regardless of its age. People still look. But that does come with risks. And the risks do cost money. So let's talk money. Originally, I think I've said it in another video, this car cost me £8,450, just shy of £9,000, and it had high mileage at the time. So in total, over the time that I've owned it, this car's probably, I've spent another £5,500–6,000 in total, which is a fair sum of money, especially in the short period of time that I've owned it. And of course, this car's never cheap to run, what with insurance and tax and, ever increasing fuel prices. And let's face it, this car's not fantastic on fuel, is it? You never bought it for that. If you did, then you're crazy in the first place. So here it is, why I sold it and why it was the right time to let it go. So why did I sell it? Really, there's a few reasons. One being reliability concerns or future reliability concerns. Fuel economy was another one. I'm driving a lot short journeys around town, and I needed something more practical for around town and that was a lot more economical. And I'm sure with a lot of you can agree, I ended up spending more time underneath it or working on it than actually enjoying it. And for me, that kind of gave me a signal it was time to let it go. But despite that, I never regretted owning this car. It's been a fantastic car, and its future owner, I'm sure, will enjoy it very much. Everything was looked after. It was definitely well maintained by myself and mechanics and stuff. And obviously I've spent a lot of money on it as well. It taught me a lot. I started my YouTube channel with it, and me and my family's had some fantastic moments with it, traveling to England and back, traveling to Bukoval, and many different places, some of which I've not actually put on video. So yeah, but for now, the L322 chapter sadly is come to an end for me. But if you're one of those people that are thinking about buying an L322, check out my L322 buyer's guide. It gives you an in-depth detail of everything you need to know about buying one, what you should look out for, not look out for. And hopefully you'll find yourself sat in a beautiful L322 in great comfort, and you enjoy it for many years. If you do already own one, or you have owned one, let me know in the comments how you got on with it. What was your story? What's your greatest moments? What's the best places you've ever been to? It'd be good to hear from other people, their experiences. And if you're new to the channel and you want to know what I actually replaced it with, obviously check out my other videos. If you're not, then you already know that I, at the time, bought myself a Tesla, an 85D, and yeah, that's currently replaced my L322. You might be saying it's a massive shift from a V8 luxury SUV to a full electric car, but here's why it makes sense. First off, cost of ownership. No more fuel bills, no more going to the petrol station and sticking in 70, 80, 90, £100 in there. Electricity for me is massively cheaper, and I'm sure it is in your countries as well. Oh, did I mention? It's fast. It's very fast. 4.2 seconds, 0 to 60. Wow. Instant torque, smooth ride, and it's a different kind of power, very different kind of power. But it's very addictive. To be honest, there's no maintenance costs, no costly oil changes, no DPF, although I did get rid of mine, no turbo split. There's far less to go wrong with the actual car itself. It's packed with technology, adaptive cruise control, autopilot, it parks itself, massive entertainment system, and it kind of just works. Be honest, it's still a premium car. It's full of leather. I've got Alcantara roof. It's got the massive sunroof in there, the reclining seats, heated seats. It's got everything I need and want. As I said, it's just a different kind of luxury, and it's more of an updated version. It's never going to be the Range Rover massive car and the off-road facilities, but do you really need it? Do you really need to go off-road? It's nice to say you've got it, but obviously with that, major things can go wrong. And to be fair, this Tesla, I'm amazed at actually how big it is. Seriously, what with the frunk and the rear boot, if you want to put the seats down, we've put some stuff in here now that actually I don't believe would have fitted in the L322. It's actually, when the seats are down, it's bigger in the back than the L322, which kind of amazed me. And in the rear, there's a section you can lift up, and it's even deeper again. And trust me, you can get a lot of stuff in this car. Is it the same experience? No, the L322 has a great road presence, something that the Tesla doesn't. Obviously, you've got the V8 soundtrack, and the Tesla's near on silent. To be fair, I've just changed some tyres over onto summer tyres, and it's got incredibly quiet. It's unbelievable, actually, at how quiet this car is. For my life now, the Tesla is a much better choice. It's quieter, it's cleaner running, there's no maintenance costs, and it just works for me. Let's face it, it's kind of the complete opposite to the L322. But as I said, for me, it's still comfort, it's luxurious, it's big, we can fit a lot of stuff in it. It's actually much quicker, and it's just in a more modern package. So yeah, the L322 has come to an end. I've had some great experiences in it, great times. Hopefully you'll still keep on enjoying my videos despite there not being an L322. But it was the right choice for me at the right time. And as I said earlier, this is what got me started the channel on the car section anyway. So for those of you wondering, this is not my living room, even though it looks like it. This is actually my office in my house. It's a little studio that I've set up where I can do all my magic, and I can watch movies as well. I can check out other YouTube channels. So it's been a great experience, and now I've moved on to another car, obviously the Tesla. So if there's any questions or anything you want to know about the Tesla, or is anything you want me to do video wise, please leave it in the comments. And hit that like button and subscribe. Apparently 87% still aren't subscribed, and if there's anything you want me to do in the future, put it in the comments and I'll do my best to do the videos.